3M's Part Integrated Cold Shrink Termination is part of our standard range. It offers a viable cost-based alternative to heat shrink cable terminating technology. Additional process steps to our premium range means that comparative time savings are less, but still a marked difference to competitive heat shrink options, specifically in outdoor applications. Requiring no heat or specialist tools at the job site means our kits are easier to use in enclosed areas and makes for overall improved health and safety profile. This range covers many of the most common cable configurations and size ranges unique to the UK market. To install, a layer of Scotch Seal 5313 mastic is applied around the cable outer sheath. The earthing braids are then temporarily installed with PVC tape for each core. The earthing braid and earth wire are then positioned and fixed into place with a constant force spring before it is pushed into the mastic and secured. A second layer of Scotch Seal 5313 mastic is then applied over the braid and over-taped by a layer of PVC tape to avoid the cold shrink breakout boot from snagging. The constant force spring is covered with Scotch 70 silicone tape to create a moisture seal. A constant force spring is then applied over the armour to secure and connect the earth braids. The constant force spring is then over-taped with PVC tape. A cable tie is used to secure the earth braids to prevent movement during the termination body installation. The cold shrink breakout boot and silicone tubes are then positioned and installed. These products are cold applied and therefore quicker, easier and safer to install than heat shrink alternatives, and they are also ideal where hot work permits are difficult to obtain. The temporary binder is then removed from each core and the earth wire is folded back over the silicone tube. Scotch 13 tape is applied over the copper tape screen of each core before the lugs are installed. .3M cabling cleaning wipes are then used to remove dirt and grease from the cable and connector. A layer of Scotch 70 silicone tape is applied over the lug barrel and primary insulation to moisture seal the lug. Silicone grease is then applied over the semiconductive screen and XLPE insulation. The cold shrink termination body is positioned and installed. With no requirement for heat or tools, a quicker, easier and more consistent installation is made possible. A second layer of Scotch 70 silicone tape is then applied over the barrel of the lug to moisture seal the lug and termination body. final stage is to install the grounding